Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how Shopify has integrated NFTs into its platform. For those of you who don't know, NFTs are a type of digital asset that can be used to represent anything from a piece of art to an event ticket. Shopify is the first major e-commerce platform to allow merchants to sell NFTs on their site. This is big news for the world of NFTs, as it opens up a whole new market for them. Shopify is known for being an easy-to-use platform that allows anyone to start and grow their own online business. Now, with the addition of NFTs, they can offer even more unique and valuable products to their users, with brands both big and small being able to integrate NFTs into their Shopify stores. It will allow mainstream adoption to occur because cultures from all around the world can begin learning about NFTs through their favorite brands. For example, a brand might have an audience that is quite different from the typical NFT or crypto asset user. However, with Shopify's easy-to-use platform and ability to accept various payment methods, the barrier to entry is lowered significantly. As a result, we can see an influx of new users and a more diverse set of NFTs being traded. What's also great about this news is that it further legitimizes the world of NFTs and digital assets. As more brands start using and accepting NFTs in their ecosystem, it will help to change the perception of them from being just a fad to becoming a legitimate asset class. The use cases for NFTs for brands are many. The most obvious ways it can be used is as a way to reward customers or fans for their loyalty. For example, a brand could also give away an NFT to anyone who spends $100 in their store. This would be a great way to increase customer loyalty and engagement. Some apps on Shopify have already created a way to airdrop NFTs to users. Airdrops are a great way to promote your brand and product while also giving something valuable to your customers. An airdrop is when a brand or project gives away a certain amount of digital tokens or assets to its community. After connecting a Web3 wallet like MetaMask to their Shopify account, customers can start receiving airdropped NFTs. NFTs can also be a form of VIP passes or access to exclusive events. An example of this would be if a brand could sell an NFT that gives the holder early access to a new product launch or a special event. This would create a sense of exclusivity and make the NFT more valuable. Token gating is the term that Shopify has used in their announcement. So what that means is that brands can require customers to purchase an NFT to gain access to certain products or services. This could be used as a way to combat scalpers or to ensure that only those who are truly interested in a product can purchase it. NFTs can also be used as a way to raise funds for causes or charities. For example, a brand could auction off an NFT with all of the proceeds going to a charity of their choice. This would be a great way to engage customers and give back to the community at the same time. Finally, NFTs can be used as a way to stop counterfeits. The fashion industry is particularly ripe for this use case. A brand could sell an NFT that is attached to a piece of clothing. The NFT would contain all of the information about the product, including where and when it was made. This would make it much harder for counterfeiters to produce fake versions of the product. Collectibles are also a ripe opportunity for brands to step into. However, traditionally, these have been physical items like sports cards or toys. Now, with NFTs, brands can create digital collectibles that can be traded and sold just like any other rare item. In addition to the innovation from physical collectibles to digital collectibles, the appraisal process and costs are also improved. With NFTs, there is no need to find a reputable appraiser and pay for their services. Instead, the market will determine the value of the NFT. This is a huge benefit for collectors because they don't have to worry about whether or not the NFT is genuine. Through the blockchain, it is easy to verify the authenticity of an NFT. A new stream of income can also be created through NFTs for brands. Because NFTs are programmable, royalties can be paid out each time the NFT is sold. For example, if a brand creates an NFT that is sold and bought again and again on the secondary markets, it can receive a percentage of each sale. This could create a very passive income stream for the brands that choose to pursue this avenue. The possibilities are endless, and we are just beginning to scratch the surface of what's possible with NFTs. Shopify's decision to integrate NFTs is a big step forward for the adoption of this technology. Now you might be thinking, what if people still aren't ready to create their own Web3 wallet and prefer paying with fiat currencies? Would they be disconnecting from the brand? The answer to that would be not necessarily. An exclusive link will be sent to customers through email where they can claim their NFT whenever they are ready to create and connect themselves to the world of Web3. So those that are unfamiliar with crypto and NFTs can adopt the technology on their own time rather than being forced to do so. This is a big win for those who have been championing the adoption of NFTs and blockchain technology. With brands all over the world serving as both educators and promoters of NFTs, it is only a matter of time before they become even more mainstream than they already are. What do you think about Shopify's decision to integrate NFTs? Do you think more adoption of NFTs will follow suit? Let us know in the comments below.